Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you some basic commands of Linux. I had made down a list of it, so let's get started. What is meant by PWD? PWD means print working directory. It will print out the working directory in which directory you are working. So let's execute it. PWD. It will show I am currently working in an home directory with my name, with the username. Print working directory shows you the present working directory in which directory you are working. Now the second one, CD. CD can be used to change directory. From you are working in a current directory and you want to change into another directory, you can use CD command. By this command you can change from one directory to another directory, like this. CD space I am currently working in a root folder. I want to go to desktop, so I have to give out the commands like CD space desktop. By hitting enter you can see that I had came to an desktop. You have to give desktop first letter, you have to give with caps, else you won't get. You have to write CD space current work in which directory you want to go. You have to specify the name. I had went to desktop, that's why I had given CD space desktop. If you want to go back to the root folder, home folder, you can give commands like CD space negation. You will go back to the root directory. If you want, you can also go back by shifting CD space dot dot. Let's go to directory. I want to go to desktop. If you want to go back to a directory, you can use CD space 2 dots. By this way, you can also go back to previous directory by typing CD space hyphen. By this, you can also go back to an root folder in your desktop. You can see that I had now executed it. Now the second command in our desktop is ls. What is meant by ls? ls means listing out the paths. Let's go to desktop and sorry, I had written the wrong. You are in current desktop directory. In this, you want to view what's present in desktop directory. For this, you have to give an command ls. This will shows you the subdirectories in the main directory. I have an subdirectory called storage, that's why it is showing this. You can list out in many orders. ls -a gives your list in ascending order. Many times you will be using options with ls to display the content of the directory in different formats, or to display different parts of directories. Type just ls gives a list in the directory. Type ls -l. This is a letter L, not the number. Gives you a long list. ls-l. List with subfolders. Here the D stands DWR. This will all the permissions of this folder, of this directory we had given. These are the permissions. R stands for write, W stands for W stands for writer, X stands to execute. All these types are folders. All these types. Another frequently used is opinion is -h. It shows the numbers full size in a more human readable format. Also shows below in the some variations in the way you can give the options in ls. We will explain the details. ls space -h. I can't have many folders, so that's why it's not showing. In your desktop it will shows. In the next we have make mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. So I want to create an directory in the desktop, so I will use walking around the Unix files is free to fun, but it even more fun to create your own directory with mkdir. You have to give a least one permission to make dir the name of the new directory to be created. Think before typing it. Make directory. I want to create a directory called x. mkdir stands for make directory and x is the directory name I want to create. Hit enter. Now you can see that I had in desktop folder I had created a directory. You can see in the desktop it has an x directory created here. Just check out it by using ls. You can also see that I have storage one directory and x is another directory I had just now created. If you want, you can also remove directory by typing remove directory, which is you have to give in shortcuts remdir. rm stands for remove and dir stands for the directory. Remove directory space, and you have to specify the directory name, which directory you want to remove. I had given the directory name x, so I am typing it x. By hitting enter, you will remove your directory. Once you remove your directory in your subfolder, you will permanently remove it. Make sure you are providing the correct name, else you will lost your data. Now just ls it. Now you can see that I had removed the x directory here. Here also in the desktop you won't see any directory. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, goodbye.